Welcome to all. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 7, decimal part 1. Earlier we have discussed multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. In there also we have learned that decimal 1, but here we will learn the 10th part, 100th part and the 1000th part of decimal. In this one, see, when a digit move to the right of the ones, it get 10 times smaller. When 1 is further divided into 10 equal part, each part is called 10th part. Same for 100th and next for 1000th. When 110 is further divided into 10 equal part, each part is called a hundredth. See, this is one whole number. Whole number means we can say this is in the place of ones. Then this show decimal, and just now I told when we move right of the ones place, it get 10 times smaller. So this one is 5 tenth. Next is 700th. So like this we can represent. This is in the place of ones, then plus, then 5 tenth. It means 5 part out of 10. So 5 upon 10. And in this one 7 upon 100. So 7 part. So in this one we represent like this whole 57 upon 100, and this we can read as 1.57. After decimal we read single number. Clear? Next, exercise 7a. In this one we have to match. This is one whole number, and in this one having 10 line. So 10 line means 2 line only shaded. So the answer is 1.2. Next one is whole number 1, and in this 1000, in this 100 are there. In 100 only 2 are shaded. So it means 2 upon 100, and 2 upon 100 we can represent like this. This is one number and here having 2 0. So how we will write? 2 0 and decimal. So the answer is 1.02. This answer is this one. And see this side, this is one whole and this is again 100. In this 100, how many are added? Sorry, 45. So 45, how to write 45? 1.45. And next one is, this is 1 and this is 310 and this is 800. So we can write like this 1.38. See, next question. In this next question, only we have to write the place value. See, decimal, before decimal, it means when your number will go left side, it means ones, tens and hundred, and this side tenth and hundredth. Tens place is 8. Tenth place is 4. Hundred place is 1. Hundredth place is 5. And ones place is 6. Like this we have to write this all the numbers. Next, build a decimal with 7 in the 10th place and 1 and 4 in the ones place. So how we will write? 4.7. We will write like this 4.7. Why? Because 4 is in the ones place and 7 is in the 10th place. So 10th place means after decimal there is a 10th place. Next is 9 in the 10th place, 6 in the 100th place, 8 in the ones place and 5 in the tenth place. How we will write? First we will write ones. Ones is 8. After ones, what will come left side? 10. 10 is 5. And after 1, when we go right side, we put decimal. After decimal, what number will come? Tenth. Tenth means 9. And then hundred. Hundred means 6. Like this, we have to represent this number. Okay. Next, question number 4. Express as a decimal. See, first we will see in this one denominator only. From the denominator we can do it or we can put it decimal. See, in this one only 1 0 is there. So the answer will be 1.3. Okay, why? Because only 1 0 we are having. And here two numbers we are having, so before one number we can put this decimal. Next is 27, and 27 having two number, and 100. 100 means how many zero? 2 0, and 2 0 and 2 number, so we will write like this 27 decimal. So we will write 0.27. Next is 142 upon 10. So 10 means only 1 0. So 1 0 will come here. So we will write like this 14.2. Okay. Next is 843. And here we are having 3 number and here we are having 2 zeros. So 3 number means 8.43. Because we are having 2 0, it means 2 0 means after decimal 2 number will come. In this one 14.2 we are having only 1 0, so after decimal 1 number will come. Here we are having 100, so after decimal 2 0 will come, like this. Next, express as a fraction. As a fraction means the opposite question. So in this one, remove this decimal. We will write here 1 and 1 and 1. It means two numbers. So we will write as 11 upon 100, because 1 and 1. 11 means two number. Two number means we will put 2 0 in the denominator. Here we are having one number. So we will write as 8 upon 10. Here we are having one number. We will write as 11 upon 10. Here we are having two number. We will write as 307 upon 2 number means 100. And same this one 5.84. Remove this decimal. Decimal we will remove. So there we can put denominator as a 1. And how many numbers are there after decimal? That same 0 you can put it in denominator. Clear? Give the next three number 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, then 2. Okay, like this we can write here 5.92, 5.93, 5.94, then 5.95, then 5.96, then 5.97, and so on. And here 11.8, 11.9, then 12, then 12.1, then 12.2, 12.3, like this. So you can do it like this. In this one, see this one 7.97, 7.98, 7.99. Next number is 7.99 means after that we will write as 8. 8.00, then 8.01, then 8.02. This is the answer. Got it? Next, this is the new thing we have learned after hundredth. This is thousandth. Thousandth means a hundredth is further divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called 1000. So we represent like this 1 upon 1000. See, 100 is equals to 10,000. Okay. See how to write 8,000. So 8,000 means it will come in the thousandth place only. So here 0.008, 75,000. So 75,000 means that tens place will be 0 and hundredth place 7 and thousand place 75. Like this we can solve it. Next, exercise 7b. In this one, write in fractions and decimal. So question is 4,000. So 4 upon 1000. See here 1, 2, 3, 0. So it means we want 3 number in that numerators, but we are having only one number. So we write only one number, and before that number we can put 20, because after decimal we want 3 numbers. So 1, 2 and 3. 68,000. 68,000 means we are having 3 number. It means 30 in the denominator. So same 3 numbers we want after decimal. So what we can put it here? We can put it here 1068. Rewrite in decimal form. So in decimal form means these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers. So in this one represent as a decimal. So 0.95, and this 0 you can cancel it also. In this one, this 3, the 0 and 0 we can cancel it. So we can write as 0.03. Same here, this question we want here 3 numbers, but we are having only only one number. So we can put it here 20 before 6, but after decimal we want 3 numbers. So 0, 0 and 6. In this one is the whole number. Whole number means represent as 1. So before decimal we can write, and the next see that number, what number will come in which place. According to that we can arrange it. Third question, rewrite as fraction. So again, rewrite as fraction means we have to write in the fraction form like numerator upon denominator. See, this number is whole number, so we can write separately whole number. Then this is 0.008. Remove this decimal, we get 1000. So this decimal means 1 and 3 numbers are there. So we will put 30 and this 8. So 8 upon 1000. 4 whole 8 upon 1000. In this one 3 whole 980 upon 1000. In this one there is no whole number. So directly we can remove the decimal. Here decimal we are removing. So decimal means we put 1 and 3 numbers are there. So we can use 30, and the same number you can write in the numerator. Next, connecting decimal and measurement. Measurement of length. Length means we can measure the length like distance. Distance from here to there. Distance from your place to your school. So this can come in kilometer. Okay, when you go to the shop for purchasing cloth and all, that will come in meter and centimeter. But when you go one place to other place, that will come in kilometer. One place to other place means other city, that will come in kilometer. And if you are in the same place or nearby, that will come in meter. So these are the two relations. Measurement of length, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Same for Mass means that, what is the meaning of mass? That weight, that solid things can come in kg, like sugar can come in kg. Okay, dal, pulses and all can come in kg, so that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Next is measurement of capacity. Capacity means volume, like your bottle. In one bottle, what is the capacity? At least 1 liter. So here 1 liter equals to 100 milliliter. So these three are the connecting decimal and measurement: length, mass and capacity. So now related questions we can see. Express these measurement as decimal. So we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So here we have to always convert in the greater number. So here 3 meter 45 centimeter. So 3 meter we will write as it is same. This 45 centimeter we convert as a meter. So we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 45 upon 100 of 1 more meter. So this we can write like this: 3.45 meter. Next, 4 meter 7 centimeter. So 4 meter and 7 centimeter means 7 upon 10 of 1 more meter. So how we will write this? 7 upon 10, 7 upon 100. Here only one number and here two numbers. So what we can put here? We can put here decimal 0.7. So like this we have done. Now 2 kilometer 340 meter. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to 100 meters. So this meter can convert in kilometers. So kilometer remains same. 340 meter means 340 upon 1000 of one more kilometer. So this 2 remains same and 0.340. Then 1 kilometer 45 meter. So 1 kilometer remains same and 45 upon 1000 of one more kilometer. So 45 having two numbers but we want three numbers. So what we can do it here? Before one value, before 10 we can put, then decimal, then 1. So answer will be 1.045 kilometer. Second question, it is same as the first question. Do it yourself. Next, equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimal, in this one, all three decimal numbers shown above have the same value, and so that they are called as equivalent fraction. Equivalent decimal. So in this one, this is having 2 part out of 10. In this having 20 part out of 100th. In this one 200 part out of 1000. So like this, so these all three are equal. This is known as equivalent decimal. Thing we will learn, like and unlike decimal. So like decimal means having same digit after decimal, that is known as like decimal, and if the digits are different after decimal, that is known as unlike decimal. Okay. Next, converting unlike decimal into like decimal. This is very important topic. How we will do? See, 1.7, 8.36, 9.755. In this one, the biggest number is this one. Why? Because in this one, after decimal, 3 places are there. In this one 2 and this is 1. So this all will convert in 3 places. So what we can do it here? Here we can put 2 0, here we can put 1 0, and here 3 we want, so 3 are there. So 1.7 00, 8.360 and 9.755. This is known as like decimal. Next, comparing and ordering decimal. So how to compare? In this one only comparing decimal we will learn, and next class or in next video I can explain ordering decimal. Comparing means how to compare. It means the greater one, or it is equal, or it is less than, we can compare it. See, always when you compare, that you have to convert first unlike to like, then only you can compare it. See, color to compare, 0.53. In this one we have to first color it, then compare. But see, in this one after decimal both are having two numbers, but we know that zero point 0.5 and here is zero point 0, so zero point 0.5 is greater than zero point 0. In this one, see, it here is 0.1 and here is 0.01. So here two numbers we can put it, one more number, because after decimal we want two number. So now here is 0.10 and here is 0.01. So 0.1 is greater than 0.01. Next is 0.2 greater than 0.6 is greater. So 0.6 is greater. So like this we have to find. Now comparing using this symbol. Okay. So in this one after decimal having 3 and here 2. So we can put one more 0. So now this 9 and 9 number are same. But in this one the 10th place is 9 and here the 10th place is 0. So it means the 10th place is 9 is greater than 0. In this one 70.08 and here 70.7, we will put 1 0. So now which one is greater? 70 is equal. So now here is 0.08 and here is 0.7. So 0.7 is greater. In this one 6.6 and here three numbers are there. So here we can write 6.600. So and here is 6.066. The greater number is 6.600. Like this you can do it all the questions. Let's see recap. In this one we have learned 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, connecting decimal and measurement, equivalent decimal, like and unlike decimal, and the last is comparing decimal. Now for worksheet you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you.